Hello there. Thursday brought the sun out across more of the country, but with clear skies and light winds overnight, the Easter weekend is going to start on a cold and frosty note. But throughout the Easter holiday, there will be a lot of dry weather and sunshine. It's not until we get into Monday that the weather is going to start to change and it gets wetter. Eventually, weather fronts will come in from the Atlantic, but at the moment, they're getting held at bay by that area of high pressure. It's under that, though, that we have clear skies and light winds. A sunny start to the day on Friday. We'll see the cloud just tending to build up a bit through the day as temperatures rise, particularly turning cloudy across eastern parts of England. There's some cloud coming in from the North Sea as well, and it could just be thick enough to give one or two spots of light rain in northeast England. Temperatures may be a degree or so higher than they were on Thursday, but still no better than 15 degrees. Heading into the weekend then, and we've got that area of high pressure keeping it essentially dry. This weather front here isn't really going to make it. It just hangs about towards the west before dying away. But I think we're likely to have a bit more cloud around on Saturday. Even across some western areas this time there will be more cloud, and here the southerly breeze is picking up a bit as well. Temperatures continuing to rise just a little bit, maybe 14 degrees in the central belt and 15 in the southeast of England. For Easter Sunday, well, that weather front dies away. This one will eventually come in from the Atlantic together with some stronger winds as the high pressure starts to get pushed away. But we've got a lot of dry weather to come still for one more day, and probably a bit more sunshine on Sunday. There is a stronger southerly wind ahead of that rain coming into Northern Ireland during the afternoon into the early evening. And with that southerly wind, temperatures are going to be higher, probably the warmest day of the next few. Could make 16 perhaps around Merseyside, the Moray Firth, and 17 degrees to the north of London. And then that weather front takes that rain across Northern Ireland, pushes it eastwards across the UK overnight. That rain's still around as we head into Easter Monday, and that band of wet weather could linger into the afternoon across East Anglia and the southeast, but it will be followed elsewhere by some sunshine eventually, but as you can see, quite a few showers, and some of those will be heavy as well. So Monday, certainly the wetter day of the next few. As a result, temperatures are going to be lower as well. And it's the start of the weather turning much more unsettled. We're going to find more weather systems coming in from the Atlantic, and this area of low pressure is going to deepen and not just bring rain, but also some stronger winds. Things start fairly quiet on Tuesday, a few showers perhaps in northern Scotland, otherwise some sunshine. And then on Tuesday, the winds start to pick up, the cloud increases, and we start to see some rain coming in from the Atlantic. And ahead of that, well, temperatures are no better than 13 or 14 degrees, so we're on the cool side. Now that area of low pressure that's coming in continues to deepen, so it's going to be windy overnight into Wednesday. Gales around many coastal areas at least, and that will push in some showers or some longer spells of rain. That area of low pressure then does move away as we head into Thursday. We await more weather systems to come in, but we're on the cooler side of things on Thursday still. That's where we have the jet stream, and with that sort of pattern in the jet stream, it's just going to feed in these areas of low pressure, run them to the north of Scotland and push in these bands of rain accompanied by some stronger winds. So next week, essentially the weather is looking much more unsettled. Temperatures on the low side by day, but it won't be as cold overnight.